Morning dear students. In the last video I explained you integers chapter exercise 1b, in which you learned how to add and subtract on the number line. Now moving on further with the next exercise of integers chapter, that is 1c. In this exercise you can see in your book, please do have a book and a copy with you while you are watching the video. The first question is about add the following. So I'm taking one part of it. It is very easy, as you know. I'm solving the 8th part just as a quick review or to understand what method you have to apply. There are some numbers which are added and subtracted. Means in this you have to apply BODMAS because both signs are used, plus and minus. And according to BODMAS, first we have to add and then subtract. And if there is any bracket, then the very first thing what you will do is open the bracket. So first we will only open the bracket. Different signs plus minus, and remember the different signs are always subtracted. Same signs are always added. Since there is a different sign, so we have subtracted. Plus 812. Now what you do, first collect all the numbers which have a plus sign. This number and this number. You write them together. And then collect all the numbers which have a negative sign. That is minus 2167 minus 4201. Okay. Now if you add these two numbers, what you will get? Now you add them and then solve these two together. Same signs plus plus, so we have to add 9 plus 2 11, 1 carry, 7 plus 2 9 and 8 plus 1 9. This will be the addition. Here you can see there are two numbers both having the same sign, minus minus, and I told the same signs always they are added, so you have to add them. But what sign will come here? Since both have minus sign, so you will put minus sign. Another rule, 4201 is greater, it has a negative sign, that is why we will put over here minus sign. We have to add them. 7 plus 1 8, 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 1 3, 4 plus 2 6. Now there is a minus sign here, it means you have to subtract them. So you can use rough over here to subtract. Don't do direct, so that you can get the correct answer. 8 minus 1 7, 16 minus 9 is again 7. Yes, here we have 2, 12 minus 9 is 3, and here we have 5. So your answer is 5377. But don't forget to put the sign. This number is greater, 6368. It has a negative sign here, so answer will be minus 5377. So hope class this is clear to you how you have to do question number 1 of exercise 1c. Now I am taking question number 2, that is evaluate. I am solving only one part class, as it is very easy. It is not so tough. Okay, so you can do this. You have done already in 5th class, 6th class, and 4th class also, I guess. Yes. So I'm taking another question. Plus minus 16 minus 128 minus 68. Now here in this, first you will be opening the bracket according to BODMAS. Minus minus plus, same signs. Different sign minus, same sign plus. This is already open. Second rule, collect the same signs together. First always write the plus numbers, positive integers together. Then you write the negative integers, and then together you can add them. So this will be 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 8, 11 plus 8 is how much? 19. Okay, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3 plus 4 7 plus 2 9, and here what is 1. Same signs minus minus again means you have to add, but minus sign will come because there is a greater number, that is negative 68. So 8 plus 6 14, 6 plus 2 is 8. Now subtract them. 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 8 is 1, 115 is your answer. The answer will be positive because 199 is positive. That is why answer is positive. So in this, till here it is clear to you how you have to do exercise 1c. I want that each and every question you should do as you are sitting at home. Okay, you do not have so much of work to do, so you can do it. Okay, finish all the questions. Now I am moving on further to exercise 1D. You can see this is your exercise 1D. Okay, now open exercise 1D in your book. I am explaining here. Okay. Exercise 1D. In the first question, now this exercise is all about multiplication and division. You have to multiply and divide what? Integers. So question number one part I'll solve for you. I'm taking minus 28 into minus 40. Whenever you are multiplying integer, you multiply the number and you multiply the sign also. Both we do. Okay. So first let's multiply the sign. Minus into minus is always plus. Yes. Same signs always added. And then you multiply 28 by 40. So multiplying by 4, 28 4s are 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 16 plus 3, 19. Sorry, 4 2s are 16. Oh, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay. So this is 112. So your answer is 112. Okay. And so, sorry, not 112. We have to put 1 0 also here. Why? Because the number was not 440. So that is why 1 0 over here. 1 1 2 0. Here in multiplication, you don't need to take 0 over here. You take a number, single digit from 1 to 9. Then you can multiply. No need to show the 0 over here. Okay. In the answer, you can show the 0. So in this way you can do question number 1. Question number 2 is all about the table. See, in this what you have to do, you have to multiply what? Minus 12 into minus 12. This is what called, this is a row and this is a column. These are the columns. Okay. So you have to multiply the rows and columns. You have to multiply. Minus 12 into minus 12. What will be the answer? Right here. Minus 12 into minus 9. Answer. Minus 12 into minus 8. Minus 12 into minus 6. Like this. Okay. You have to take the table of 12. Then table of 9, 8. These are the negative ones. So be careful with the minus sign. So you fill this full table in your book only. Okay. Then we have fill in the blanks. This also you can do of your own. It is easy. Doubts you can message me on WhatsApp or in Google Classroom. Third question also, you can see there are so many numbers with only one sign, that is multiplication. Yes. Okay. In this, I will explain you one method. What it is, when you multiply so many numbers, suppose you have minus 2 into 22 into minus 42 into minus 36 into 35. First, what you do? Okay, you forget the sign, negative sign. You take all the numbers. 2 into 22, 44. Then multiply 44 into 42. Then the multiplication again multiply with the 36. And then the answer multiplied with 35. You will get one answer here. That answer will be, I'm seeing from the answer sheet. Okay, you can multiply it in the rough. Third question, 7th part. The answer is 2328480. This will be the multiplication you will get of the numbers. Now we'll come to the sign. In multiplication, when you have so many integers to multiply, what you do? You count the negative number, the minus sign. You count the minus sign. How many minus sign are there? Count 1, 2, 3. Then decide what it is, either even or odd. 3 is odd number. So whenever you have odd minus sign, answer is always minus. And whenever you have even minus sign, answer is always plus. Why? You know that अगर किसी भी माइनस को हम एक और माइनस दे देते हैं तो वो हमेशा क्या बन जाता है? प्लस. And you know in even number, each number has its pair. Yes. So that is why even minus signs always plus, odd minus signs always negative. So here there were odd minus sign 3. That is why answer is negative. So in this way you decide the sign of those integers when you have so many to multiply. Then you have division. Question number 4 is all about the division. Suppose you have minus 128 divide minus 60. Okay, this. So then first you change it into denominator and numerator and denominator. In division, same signs always gets cancelled. Opposite signs do not get cancelled. Same signs always get cancelled. And opposite sign answer always gives minus. So answer will be minus. Okay. Same signs cancel means positive answer you'll get. Now you can either you directly multiply by divide by 16 or you cut it with small numbers. It can go by 4. Yes. 4 3s are 12. 4 2s are 8. And then 4 4s are 16. And then 32 can be divided by 4. 4 8s are 32. So your answer is 8 over here. So in this way you can do question number 4th. Next is 5th is about simplify. Okay, in simplify you have to strictly use BODMAS. Why? Because you can see in simplify, you see in your book there are so many operations. Yes, plus, minus, multiply, divide, brackets, everything. There are so many operations given. One I am solving for you so that you can understand. Rest you do it of your own and message me your doubts. Okay. Here you can see there are 3 brackets. This is a bar bracket or vernaculum bracket. Okay. Then the very first bracket. Then small bracket, curly bracket, and this is a square bracket. So in BODMAS, this first is bracket open. Yes. And the very first bracket which we will open is the bar bracket. Then second one you will open is the small bracket. So let's move on. Remember, only do one operation at a time. Okay. 15 minus 3 is 12. As I said, you do one operation at a time, so you will never get wrong answer. Bar bracket after small bracket. Okay. Now small bracket, 7 minus 4 is 3. Then after small bracket, curly bracket, 12 3s are 36 minus 47. If you will move step by step according to BODMAS, you will never get a wrong answer. Okay. Then after curly bracket, square bracket, 47 minus 36 is 11, and 121 divided by 11 is 11, because 11s are 121 is a square of 11. Okay. So your answer is 11. Okay. Okay. This is your answer. So up till question number 5th I have explained you. This is till question number 5th. According to the book, you can solve all the questions, and you have to solve all the questions. Okay. Question number 6th is about fill in the blanks. Complete the following. In this there is an equation given. You have to decide the sign, which sign has to come here, and this sign you will decide on the basis of the answer given. What you should do with 9 with the help of 3, and then the answer with the help of 3, so that you get 9 answer only you should get. Suppose you put a plus over here. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Suppose I put a plus over here. So 9 plus 3 is 12. Now you have 12 and you want 9 answer. So we subtract 3, because 12 minus 3 is 9. You can use this. Okay. Or else, suppose you divide 9 by 3. What will be the answer? 3. And 3 you multiply by 3. 3 3s are 9. Or this is also correct. 9 plus 3 is 12. And 12 minus 3 is 9. Here you can get multiple answers. Means it is not necessary the answer will be unique. You can get many answers. So you can try. So I finish my video till exercise 1D. I have taught you exercise 1C and exercise 1D. I want that student you should solve each and every question of both the exercises, and doubts you can message me. Till then, keep learning and stay safe. Goodbye.